You want to report an issue. There's a couple different places, right? So we have our website form if you're looking to report an issue with the website. But if you're looking to report an issue, I think we have a card for that. Or maybe we pulled that one down. That's okay, because it's still right here. Report an issue is right here. And then if you're under leadership and government, report an issue is right there. So two different places, two different ways that you can find that. If you click on report an issue, this is going to give you information about our Bullhead City Direct app where you can report issues with the city. We put a link right here at the top. If you're looking to report an issue with the website, this is that same form we showed you earlier, so you can report that issue. And down here, directly in your browser without needing an account or anything, you can report issues about, animal enforcement issues or code enforcement issues, signs, shopping carts, property maintenance. If there's been a major storm and your street has a whole bunch of dirt and debris, you can give that information. You can, using the Bullhead Direct app, if you've never used it before, you can give geotagging information. So you're not just going to report that there's storm cleanup, but you can attach a map screenshot, a pin location. This is where the issue is. That report will get sent directly to Bullhead City staff so that city staff can see that ticket. They know where it is, they know when it is, and they can work on it directly. So that report goes not to just anybody, but to the people who will be solving that issue. So if it is a flash flood cleanup, for example, that report will go to our roads department who clean the roads, and then they will get on that issue for you right away. If it's an issue with PD, that report will go to PD and PD will sort it. If it's park maintenance related, it'll go to park maintenance and they will get it sorted. So the Bullhead Direct app is a great tool, and we strongly encourage people to report or to use it to report issues with the city. And all of that is embedded directly in the website. Now, if you're using a mobile device, we also have links down here for the App Store and the Play Store so that you can download the app on your mobile device and use it that way. Download our app. So that's how you can report issues either around the city, to the city, or issues relating to the website to the city using our website.